YouTube and welcome to my channel, Bozo Does It, and you're looking at him. This is a channel about DIY, product reviews, tech, home improvement.
There it goes.
Car repairs. Basically anything and everything that can help you improve your life. Because times are getting hard, wages are in the shitter, and the cost of living is too damn hard. So everyone's gonna need to start rolling up their sleeves a little bit, pulling yourself up by the bootstraps, and being a little more handy around the home. And I'm here to show to you that if a bozo like myself can do it, then so can you. So throw away those manuals, because the bozo is here to tell you how to do things. And I'll try to make it as entertaining and worth your time as possible. So I hope you will join me. I would really appreciate it if you destroy that subscribe button.